Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Jotform subscription. So let's just begin. First, you're going to be heading over to the pricing option on top right. Let's just say you have purchased a plan. By the way, if you want to purchase a plan and you really like the site Jotform, I can provide you 50% off onto their plans, and that could be done using the link in the description below. So make sure to give it a try. Now, here's the thing that you can get your cancellation done for your subscription using this section as well. So currently it is basically asking to upgrade. You can see upgrade, upgrade, and upgrade. Once you have many of these plans subscribed, you can click on cancel, which is going to be appearing here, and your cancellation will be done. And that's how easy it is. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description below.